Have you ever wondered how much money do you need to start investing and to get to anything big? Hi, my name is Mike, and on this channel I'll show you how much you can achieve by investing only $100 per week.
$100?
Real money, real numbers, my real journey. Let's go! In this video I will break down the process of investing, demystify the stock market, and will set you up on the path to successful investing. By the end of this video you will know how simple investing can be, learn some ground rules for successful investing, and watch me go step by step, creating an investment account, linking my banking account, and enable automatic contributions to it. Alright! If you have never invested before, you may think that investing is really complicated, like frantic traders, all those piles of paperwork, endless numbers and percentages and things like that. But you know, the fun fact is, nowadays, handling an investment account is as simple as handling a banking account. You can literally manage your investing from your couch. To do that, you need to register on a website of trading platform. I have chosen Questrade, and by the way, Questrade runs a referral program. So if you register using this code, I'll put it in the description below, we both get a little bonus.
Imagine a bonus.
Bonus.
Bonus!
But before we go there, let's establish some ground rules to make sure we are on the same page.
Ground rules, good idea.
Rule number 1. Pay off your debt first. I mean high interest debt like credit card, not your mortgage. No return will cover the interest you're paying on your credit card, so...
It's time to pay your debt.
Rule number 2. Investing is not saving. If you'll need your money in 3 to 5 years, do not think about investing them. Put them in a higher interest savings account, because markets go up. Yes, most of the time, historically, the market goes up, but eventually it goes down. Like in 2008 or 2022, it goes down, and if that's the moment when you need your money, you lose money. Like I did in 2022, because I didn't follow this rule.
That's right. Rules are rules.
Rule number 3. Investing and trading are different processes. Trading is when you try to predict where the market will go, where a certain company stock will go, in order to buy low, sell high, and get the profit. To do that, you will need to really get to the numbers. Analyze the market trend, follow financial news. If you want to do that, go for it. But that is trading. That's not what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about is investing. Basically, with investing, all you need to do is buy, and that's it, and hold.
That's it?
That's it?
That's it. That's it.
That's it.
Rule number 4. Diversification is the key. I mean, if you spread your investment across multiple industries, it will be safer and will grow more predictably than if you put into some hot stock or hot industry. Say you invest heavily in tech stocks, and we have already seen how tech companies go down all at once. And if you're heavily invested in tech, all your portfolio goes down, which is not really good feeling.
That hurt, you know?
So if you diversify your investment across multiple industries, say tech stocks and healthcare and financial sector and consumer staples, the tech goes down, some part of your portfolio goes down. Everything else stays afloat. And rule number 5, actually the most important one. Stay calm. That means no panic selling. The market goes down, like it did recently. It went down 5% in one day and a few more percent couple following days, and the people were all panicking, and some of them were selling. And guess what? When you sell when the market is down, you lose money. That's not what we are aiming, so stay calm. The history tells us that many times the market went down, and it recovered since then every single time. That's pretty much it with the rules. Let's get to the basics.
Here it comes.
The purpose of any business is to make money, to make profit. When a business makes profit, there are 2 basic things they do. They grow, they expand the business, opening a new production line or opening a new store or hire more developers for tech companies. And some of the profits is normally distributed among the owners of the company. Stock market is the place where you can buy a share of the company, basically becoming a co-owner of this company. and the bigger your share is, the bigger piece of the company you own. So when the company grows, so does your share of it. When the company distributes the money in the form of dividends, you get your cut. But if you are thinking about long-term investment, like 20 years horizon, it's really hard to predict which company is gonna continue growing for 20 years. And even if a company looks really promising, like Nortel did in 1998 or BlackBerry in 2004, I think, it doesn't guarantee anything. If only there was a way to invest in multiple companies all at once and not go crazy trying to track all those prices and trends and all that stuff. You know what? Such a way exists. It's called an exchange trading fund or ETF. Basically what ETF is exactly the way to buy multiple companies, many companies, sometimes hundreds of them, with one share. ETFs are created and maintained by big financial institutions like Vanguard or BlackRock, BMO, TD, and they charge a little fee for doing that. Normally it's just a fraction of percent, like 0.1 or even lower than that, which makes ETF a cost-effective way of safe investing. And now I'm going to show you how to create an investment account with Questrade, link your banking account, and set up automatic contributions to it. I assume you created and logged in into a Questrade account, so you click Add New Account. We're going to create self-directed, not the one that they manage for you. We're going to open tax-free savings account because that's the most tax efficient. All the gain and all the dividends, well, Canadian dividends are tax-free. From American dividends, it will gonna charge you 15%, but we'll try to minimize that. Investing purposes doesn't really matter. I think they collect that just for the statistics. And no, we're not gonna be trading options. That's quite advanced financial instrument. We're gonna skip that. Yes, I encourage you to go ahead and read all the agreements, but we all know that no one does that. I didn't, I just accepted them all, but I'm not advising you to do so. Here you need to click a few checkboxes. I'm gonna click all the mandatory ones, skip the optional one, and minimize the spam. I'm gonna be receiving mandatory materials only. Now it will take some time to generate all of the documents for your account. Then the final step, you review and electronically sign all the documents. They will use DocuSign. Well, I'll skip that step, just not to reveal any sensitive information, but that's really straightforward. Alright, signed. Now let's set up the pre-authorized deposit. At this stage, it should ask you to link your banking account. Oops, something went wrong. Okay, let's try skipping this step for now. Okay, click next again. Skip for now. Okay, this is the accounts page and we're gonna fund it from here. Yeah, pre-authorized deposits. And here we go, connecting my banking account. It will ask my consent. Yeah, it's all secure and stuff. I'm using Royal Bank. Whatever bank you are using, you just log in with your usual username and password. Okay, yeah, it's asking the confirmation in my mobile banking. So I confirmed there, clicked verify here. Alright, yeah, I'm selecting the checking account. Alright, that's it. My bank account is linked. And now I can set up automatic contributions. They need minimum $250, so it will take at least 3 weeks from me because I'm gonna contribute $100 per week. Starting the closest it will allow me, it's gonna be, let's put it Monday. All right. Yes, I agree. All done. Starting August 12th, every Monday, $100 will be transferred from my checking account into my investment account.
Right, it's done.
That's pretty much it. Pretty easy, right? In my next video, I will reveal which ETFs and why I have chosen for my portfolio. But before going there, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to learn more about how much you can achieve with only $100 per week, hit the subscribe button and follow my journey. Just remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Start small, stay calm, and watch your money grow. See you in the next one.